unang-una, especially for people, usually kasi yung pinaka-common ng mga taong gumagawa nito is usually talaga on the heavier side. But people have to look at it differently. You did not gain weight overnight. Para siyang years and years of consistent na bad food choices and habits, but it doesn't make sense if lahat ng yun gusto mong mawala in just a snap. So, maapektuhan talaga yung health mo. Wala naman talagang black and white sagot na dapat eto yung best diet, eto yung best fasting window, okay? If you think about it, everything works naman as long as it's sustainable on your end. Kasi at the end of the day, you can try vegan diet, carnivore diet, paleo, one meal a day, intermittent fasting, or low carb, kung anumang diet na gusto mo i-try. As long as it's sustainable on your end. Kasi if it's sustainable on your end, you can adhere to it. And when you can adhere to it long term, you will see results